Have you ever wondered what happens to unclaimed cargo at the port? Picture this: goods arrive at the port imported by enthusiastic businesses or individuals. Yet, for some reason, these goods are never claimed, even after the allotted time window. Suddenly, these goods transform into what's known as unclaimed cargo, a perplexing and recurring issue for the shipping industry. But what causes this cargo to remain unclaimed? Let's delve into the reasons. There are numerous reasons why cargo can end up unclaimed at the port. One of the most common causes revolves around disputes between the consignee and the shipper, usually tied to payment issues. In some cases, the consignee may not have the necessary funds to pay for the goods, leading to the cargo remaining unclaimed. Another significant reason is the lack of proper documentation. Without the correct paperwork, the consignee cannot clear the goods, causing them to be left at the port. Then we have import duty issues. Sometimes importers, especially those new to the business, underestimate the amount of duty to be paid on the goods. Once they realize the actual amount, they may choose to abandon the cargo rather than pay the hefty duty. Fear of penalties, delays in shipment, poor quality of goods, and unfamiliarity with the process are other factors that can lead to unclaimed cargo. So we see that several factors can lead to cargo being left unclaimed. But what happens to this unclaimed cargo? Unclaimed cargo doesn't just sit at the port forever. After a stipulated period, typically a few months, it's considered abandoned. But what happens next? The fate of such cargo varies. Some are auctioned off, turning into unexpected treasures for bargain hunters. Others might be donated, repurposed, or even destroyed, depending on the nature of the goods. So, the next time you see a cargo ship docking, remember, not all those goods might find their way to their intended destination.